Well, it's getting cold now, and we've been doing some more testing here with the system. And as you can see, you want to be careful when you order some connectors online because they might say that they're rated for a specific amperage, but in actuality, they're usually not. And what happens when too much current tries to go through that connector is it will catch on fire. And that's why I'm usually sitting here babysitting these things during these tests. So the connectors are important. Uh, in fact, anytime you're getting over 100 amps of current, probably not going to be a quick connect solution that works reliably well. Probably want to just plan on bolting something in with some crimped connectors, some nice 4-gauge wire, which is what we're going to go back to on this. Part of the idea behind having these quick connectors on here was to be able to detach the top part of the system and take that off of the heat pump system while the rest of the system could still be running the heat pump, and be able to use that to run the music over here, or to run some farm tools, or to run a burner, or whatever else is needed. But yeah, that's going to take a little bit of engineering just on that one piece to get that right. So I'd say that today is definitely a lot colder than it has been. It's been below freezing for a little while now. We got the propane burner going here. We also got still testing this Ecoflow here. One of the things I noticed is the heat pump doesn't really draw as much current when it's freezing cold, and it's not clear to me why that's the case, but typically at startup it's drawing somewhere around 1200 watts, and today we're at 1,000, just a little bit over 1,020 watts. So this is interesting because it could actually run longer. So it is projecting that instead of an hour and a half, it looks like it will run for an hour and 45 minutes at this particular load capacity. And so that's an interesting dynamic that has to be taken into account. On average, I'm targeting 8 to 10 hours of runtime every single day, where basically the system would just shut off whenever all the solar energy has been consumed.